Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can install a AI model locally on your system or laptops, and it's completely free. And if you are a student, you don't have enough money to buy the subscriptions for the AI models, so this video is absolutely for you. And if you are a beginner and want to learn something and want to write the vibe code free of cost, so this is for you. So you can see I just given a prompt, write a Python program for a complete calculator, and they are doing a coding for me for the calculator app. Okay, so this is a CLI based interference, and if you don't like the CLI based interference for the coding, you just simply use the chat UI as well. Okay, so you can see I just given a prompt for creating a form, and this is the index.html what a AI model provide me, and the result is absolutely amazed me. So this is the thing, and that is the output. Okay, you understand them now. The thing is that how you can install this on your system. Let me walk through step by step. So first of all, what you need to do, you just simply open your Chrome browser, and you need to search it here, Ollama. So when you search it here, Ollama, there is a first website. Just simply open it, and there is a download button. Simply click on this download, and there is the option download for Windows. And if you are on Mac OS Linux, you can download for that particular platforms. I just simply click on this download for Windows, and as of now you can able to see here there is a setup size, and you just simply download and install this like other softwares you are doing. Okay, so once you install, you will see this kind of interference in front of you, and this kind of screen appeared in front of you once it's installed. Okay, understand them? Yes, you understand them. But how you will know that the Ollama is actually installed on your system? So for that, you need to open your PowerShell. So when you open your PowerShell, you will see this kind of interference, and you need to enter here Ollama. So when you enter here Ollama, you will see, if you see this kind of interference, it means it is installed successfully. So there is a chat with a model, launch OpenClaw, launch Claude code, launch open code, not installed. Okay, so when I click on this chat with a model, right now it is giving me the screen. I can simply give the prompt and get the answers, but I have installed the model already. How you can install the model, I will explain you. So go back to the Ollama website, and there is the option models, and there's a lot of models. You can download this as per your system resources, your RAM or your uh, SSD devices. So I am going to search here the Gemma 4. So this is a Gemma 4. I am going to download this on my local system. So this is a Gemma 4 E4 billion, and that is the Gemma 4 26 billion. I just simply copy this and open my PowerShell again. So when I open my PowerShell again, as of now, you can able to see here, I just need to enter here Ollama. Okay, run, and then what we have copied the Gamma for 26 billion, and click on this enter. So when I click on this enter, as of now you can able to see here it is going to downloading the model in our local system. So once the model is installed and downloaded, so you will just go back to the here again, and simply enter here the Ollama. So there is a chat with a model. Just simply click on this enter, so your model will be downloaded, and you will see this kind of interference, and you can simply chat them. So this is the one method, and the other method is that just simply open your Ollama application. Let me do it from the start. So this is the Ollama. I just simply open this particular web application, and there is a models drop down. So we are going to downloading the Gamma 4, so that will be appeared here. Right now it's going to be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, it will, the download sign will be disappeared from here because it's installed. Right now I have the GPT OSS 20 billion. I just simply select it here and send a message, and that will work if you have not connected to the internet as well. So this is the best opportunity for you, and this is a best technique if you don't want to pay to different AI model subscriptions. That is actually very costly for a student persons. So this type of techniques can help you and save money, and you can try them as soon as possible. And thank you very much for watching this video. We will meet you in our next video.